Hi guys, my name is Claudia Sanchez. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to set the table. Have you ever sat down to eat in the restaurant and asked yourself what utensil we need to use first? Or maybe you are intimidated by the idea of hosting a formal dinner for someone that you want to impress because you don't know how to set the table. Also, setting the formal table may seem complicated, but actually it's not too hard since you continue the simple steps. I had the associate degree in hospitality management and I was working for many years as a banquet coordinator in a country club, so I had experience to setting up the tables. There are four important parts that I'm going to show you today. The first part is about the utensil that you need for the formal table. The second part is the plates, what different kinds of plates that you need. The third part is about the glasses, depending on the menu, what glasses do you need. And the last part is the napkin placement. The website instructables.com in the article How to Set a Formal Dinner Table says there are many different options when it comes to the setting a dinner table, but most importantly, it depends on the type of formal dinner menu and drinks. These factors will determine the arrangement of the utensils, dishes, and glasses. Well, here are some simple traditional tips that I'm going to give you. The first part is the utensil. We start with the main course. The dinner fork is going to the left hand side and the dinner knife is going to the right hand side. The same with the salad. The salad fork is going to the left hand side outside to the dinner fork, and the salad knife is going outside to the dinner knife. If we had the soup in our menu, we need the spoon. So you place outside to the knives. In our dessert, we had the ice cream. We use the spoon on top. We place on top because we don't need use for a little while. So notice that the bowl is pointed to the left side because when it's time to eat your dessert, you just slide down on your right spot and it's there. According in the article How to Set a Formal Table gave us two helpful tips. The first one is only set the table with what you need. If you are not eating soup, there is no need to set the soup spoon. And the second tip is that you always take the utensils from outside to inside. Okay, now we know about the utensils and we continue with the plates. The first plate that we use is the charger. You place in the middle. This plate precedes the main plate. You put in the main plate on top of the charger. And the next plate is the salad. You put it on top of the main plate. If we had soup in our menu, we need the bowl. Put it on top of the salad plate. And the last plate is the bread plate. We put it on top of the forks on your left side. And the butter knife, put it in the angle on the plate. Remember, these knives, always the border, you put in toward the plates. We had already the utensils, we had the plates, and we continue with the glasses. The glasses are depending on what kind of menu do you have. If you had the white meat like chicken or fish, you need to use the white wine glass. You put it on top to the spoon. If you had the red meat like a beef, you need the red wine glass. You put it on the left of the wine glass, and always we need the water glass. Put it on the left to the red wine glass, so you see the angle. Okay, and I'm going to give you the tip. Don't forget B&W. B for the bread plates on your left, M for the main plate in the middle, and W for the water glass on your right. B&W. Don't forget. So finally, we already had the utensils, the plates, the glasses. We need to talk about the napkin. Traditionally, the napkins go or place on your left side, outside to the forks. For the fancier dinners, you can place on the plates. So now you set your table. You are ready for invite your friends and setting your own party dinner. It's easy. That's my conclusion. It's easy when you follow the simple steps. Don't forget, take the utensil from outside to inside. You put the plates in order: charger, main plate, salad. If we had soup, we put in the soup on top, and your bread plate on your left side. Jody Smith, etiquette expert and founder of Mannersmith Etiquette Consulting, in the Martha Stewart article says, knowing that you are expected and are honored guests only adds to the anticipation of the meal and the company. Taking the time to set the formal table, you show to your guests how much you care and what is your hospitality. Thank you guys for listening to me, and enjoy your formal dinner. Have a good day.